Welcome to Stubbs Mews. Thank you very much for your interest in our development over here in Manchester City Centre. As you can see here, we've got 18 townhouses available to purchase. We're just 5 minutes walk from the new Islington Marina and 10 minutes walk from Manchester City Centre. Behind me as well, we've also got the Metrolink, just 1 minute walk away, directly into Piccadilly and 1 stop. And now I'm going to show you these townhouses. These are 1 month away from completion. As you can see, a huge decking area out here for you to relax and enjoy the fantastic views towards Manchester City Centre. So here we are on the ground floor of one of our 3-storey townhouses in Manchester. As you can see here, this is typically used by our buyers as the dining area for hosting, and then sweeping round here to our open plan kitchen and diner. The appliances are all integrated, high quality, really lovely worktop here, which is a lovely quartz, and then through to the main living area. This is typically where the buyers spend most of their time with their family, relaxing, enjoying the lovely views over the water onto the canal. We're now on the first floor of the townhouse. This is one of the 2 bedrooms on the middle floor of the house. Double bedroom, plenty of room here for storage, and also this has the benefit of having a small balcony off the front of the house. You can enjoy the views towards the city centre. Again, huge windows and the ceiling height at 2.67 metres. It makes the room feel lovely and spacious. This is the second bedroom on the middle floor. Again, a nice large double bedroom. This side you have the benefit of the views over the canal just behind me. Lovely view to wake up to in the morning. Plenty of room here again for your storage, so perfect for a kid's room or possibly a spare room as well if that's how you would like to use it. We're now on the top floor of one of our 3-storey townhouses. This configuration is one of the 4 bed options that are available. As you can see, a nice double bedroom again. This has a benefit of having an ensuite shower room and also a toilet. Plenty of room here for your storage as well. The ceiling height here benefits from the additional pitched roof, which really gives the room a sense of space. This one also benefits from the picture window as well, which brings lots of light into the room. Great place to relax, read a book, and look over the views over Manchester. This is the master bedroom of the townhouse. So this one enjoys fantastic views over the canal to my right, as you can see. Lovely to wake up to in the morning. Also benefits from the pitched roof again, bringing in loads of light and the spacious feel to the bedroom. Typically the customer would have their wardrobes along this side. There's huge amounts of room in this bedroom. Also you have the benefit of the ensuite shower room, so once again really convenient for anyone living here. We're now on the elevated garden terraces here at Stubbs Mews. As you can see, these have got fantastic views over the canal. Final works are still happening. We're looking about a month until these are completed, but you're already getting a sense of space and what a fantastic place these are going to be in the evening. The double doors from the house will open up onto this terrace. Each one is private and separated by garden hedging here. So fantastic place to spend your evening and enjoy the views over the canal. With only